this week. We are cruising the north beaches of New South Wales, the northern beaches up that way. Last week we were in Tamworth. We had an awesome time down there. A lot of fun, got to see heaps of live music. We all had a damn good time, but yeah, this week it's been pretty hot this week, so we're just going to cruise. We're going to go check out a few beaches, a few waterfalls and a bit of rainforests and whatnot. And so yeah, join us on this week's little getaway, and we're in northern New South Wales. We're just going to sit in and see.
Big one just there. Huge ones. They're eating.
Hey guys, so we're just at the She Oak Shack, which is in Fingal Heads. It's our favourite little cafe down here, isn't it, Jed? Mm-hmm. It is dog friendly. It has, as you can hear, it does have live music every Saturday. So if you're ever down here, it is such a beautiful, chilled, just nice little beachy cafe.
Hey guys, we're just down at Cabarita Headland. I actually shot my first film clip down here probably close to 10 years ago now, maybe 8 years ago. Just over here at the headland and along this beach. So, because we're about to jump in the beach, I didn't bring the speaker down. So it might be a bit windy, apologies in advance, but this is Cabarita Beach, Cabarita Headland. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to go check it out.
It's moving around. It's moving around.
Back it on up, please.
So, blue bottles everywhere, so the kids can't get in for a swim. And I just put the drone up. That's where the wing used to be, before it just crashed in those trees over there. Not a good start, but anyway, just took her up again, she goes. Just had a hissy fit mid-air, so oh well, they can be replaced pretty easy. I've got a couple back at home, so whew, not gonna lie, it did take us about 20 minutes to find it in the scrub though.
Taught me how to cry, but life, it taught me how to fight. And time showed my eyes how to see, and I'm not afraid, 'cause now I'm free.
Let's
That's it now. Just float, just float. Don't panic. Your body will float naturally, okay? Try and keep it straight.
Hey guys, we're just at Natural Bridge today, which is just over the border in Queensland. It's absolutely beautiful down here, highly recommend it. It's not too long of a walk. You get to go through the glowworm caves, down to Natural Bridge. You can't swim there. I think back in the day you could, but not anymore.
You're not allowed to swim because I've seen heaps of signs that said if you swim it will cost you something.
Yeah, if you do swim there's huge fines with that one, and they do have rangers that come around and check. But we'll take you along with us and we'll show you everything it has to see down here.
Just at the little bridge, at the Natural Bridge. Got a couple of little pools and that down here. Beautiful day for it. So it's like mid to late 20s. Just absolutely gorgeous in here. Having a ball. Beautiful. That's the Natural Bridge. Awesome little walk for the family. I guess it doesn't matter if you're 3 or 83, you can pretty much do the walk. It's not that difficult. I'd say, what it'd be about 1 kilometre, give or take, not too many stairs. I think they've laid it out that way. Most of the downhills on the other side, you come down to the Natural Bridge and then scoot up this side. But Yeah, beautiful little spot. We've picked perler of a day, so